Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your URL to a custom URL with your channel name. So you need 4 things in order to be eligible for this. The first one is you must have a profile picture. If you don't have it, you can't do it. The second thing that you need is channel art, a banner of some sort. The third thing that you need is to be active for 30 days. It means that you need to have a channel for at least 30 days, and the last one is at least 100 subscribers. So if you have all these 4, congratulations. So now let's do it. Okay, first step is to go to your YouTube studio. Over here you need to go to your settings. Over there you will find all the information you need in order to change your URL. So once you're in your settings, you need to go to your channel, and over here you will go to the 4th tab, which is just to see what are you eligible on YouTube. So over here you will have the list of all the things that you might already have or stuff that you can customize yourself. So we are going to check for a custom URL. As you can see, I'm eligible in this account, so we are going to do it right now. Over here you can go to custom URL, and then it already will offer you the name of your channel, so we're just going to change it. Obviously you need to check that you read all the conditions and you're agree with everything that has to say. So that's it. It's actually really easy, just a few minutes and you have your own custom URL. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it's helped you. Please consider to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks and other information about everything that comes to the internet. So thank you so much.